Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, August 23. Prime Minister Andrew Holness is encouraging Jamaicans to embrace the new primary exit profile, PEP, as an opportunity to transform the island into a knowledge-based society. This 2018-2019 academic year, PEP will replace the Grade 6 Achievement Test, GSAT, as the National Secondary School Placement Examination. To be sat over a 3-year period, starting at Grade 4, PEP is intended to provide a complete profile of students' academic and critical thinking at the primary level. While acknowledging that PEP is a departure from GSAT in its teaching and assessment, Prime Minister Holness is confident that PEP will be better for the country and generations to come.
I think generally that the PEP exam will create a new type of Jamaican. One that has a more curious mind, one that is looking more for solutions rather than being pedantic. So I want to use this platform to encourage Jamaica to embrace the new exam, not to fear it. It will be better for everyone.
Prime Minister Holness was speaking Wednesday as he presented back-to-school gift vouchers to 10 children of staff members of the offices of the Prime Minister and the Cabinet. $380 million has been committed to bolster the Education Ministry's expanded pilot rural transportation project for the 2018-2019 academic year. Now in its second year, the program is being implemented in the rural sections of 12 parishes, excluding Kingston and St. Andrew. Spearheaded by the Ministry's Safety and Security in Schools unit, the project is targeting 7,500 students from 260 schools this upcoming academic year. Consideration is given to students with disabilities and those who are on the PATH program. And through a partnership with local route taxis and buses, plans are now in place to increase rural students' access to transportation.
Schools are tasked to negotiate with, identify route operators within the locale where school is that has the reputation and the vehicles and the necessary document makes them eligible to participate.
Project Officer Richard Troop was speaking at the first in a series of island-wide parent sensitization sessions organized by the Ministry of Education. The Consumer Affairs Commission is calling on parents to use its price inquiry tool portal when purchasing textbooks for the upcoming academic year. The portal, which can be accessed at cac.gov.jm, has information from the Commission's recently conducted annual textbook survey. This year's survey reports that there's been a 2% increase in the average price for textbooks. The information was gathered between July 23 and 27 from 90 bookstores across the island. National Security State Minister Rudyard Spencer is encouraging more juveniles in correctional institutions to take up training offered through the We Transform program. We Transform provides academic and vocational courses, life skills training, mentorship, internship, and job placement. According to Minister Spencer, the program will prepare the juveniles to seamlessly reintegrate into society.
We want to ensure that you leave here significantly better than when you came in. We want to ensure that when you leave here, you are ready for the open society to make your contribution. And I'm sure most of you are willing to do that.
Minister Spencer was addressing the opening ceremony of the We Transform Sports Day at the Rio Cobre Juvenile Correctional Center on Tuesday. The We Transform program was launched in June last year and is being implemented in 4 juvenile centers through the Department of Correctional Services. And finally, the Tourism Ministry has begun discussions with locally based embassies to provide foreign language training to hospitality workers. Minister Edmund Bartlett says instructions in French, Chinese, and German will be offered in the first phase of the program. This, he says, is in line with the ministry's thrust to increase tourist arrivals from these markets.
We want to change the entire labor market arrangements in Jamaica, insofar as it relates to the tourism sector. And to do that, we have to build capacity. We have to train our people, certify them, take them to the highest levels of their professional capabilities.
Minister Bartlett was speaking following a 3-hour Spanish training course for Riu Palace hotel workers in St. James recently. The training was offered through a partnership between the Ministry of Tourism and the Embassy of Spain in Jamaica. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.